Good morning, and welcome to TravelingMindfully.com YouTube channel. Today we're at Madeira Beach on Johns Pass Boardwalk. We're going to explore the water activities of Johns Pass. As you can see, there's many options you can do. This is great for a family, a loved one, just you. So with that being said, let's take a look at what we have to offer. As you can see, to our right, we have Calypso boat cruise tour, which is a dine-in tour. I believe they have two different departure times, one in the afternoon, one in the evening for sunset cruises. This is also called Hubbard's Marina, which they allow deep sea fishing and dolphin watch cruises. Over in the distance, you can see the passing boats and jet skis. And that is actually Boca Ciega Bay. Very nice. Usually pretty calm too. Coming up, we have Dolphin Quest. This is a dolphin tour. They go around Boca Ciega Bay and they basically find pods of dolphins. This is pretty neat. You get to see dolphins up and close. I think the tour is about an hour and a half. Great for kids and families. Also, Johns Pass has a lot of outdoor seating and waterfront seating, which I always enjoy. It's nice to eat fish and see fish. And that is Dolphin Quest. There's a number there if you want to inquire on times of departure and prices. Next to Dolphin Quest is the pirate ship. This is a great option for children and families. It's a pirate ship. It cruises around the actual Gulf of Mexico. Doesn't really go that far out, but it's kind of neat. And they also shoot off cannons. Here you have wave runners and eagle parasailing. The wave runners are pretty cool. I think you get two options to rent for an hour, two, price per hour. And then the parasailing is basically put you up in a parasail. You get to watch the water in the distance while you're gliding above the Gulf of Mexico at 40 miles an hour and 300 feet up in the air. Next we have Jack's Wave Runner Rentals, and I believe they also rent boats as well, which is a great option for if you want to rent a boat, a little more stability. Not sure what that shark is, but imagine it's just another tour boat. And then we have Tiki Hut's Waterfront Dining. Over here is another dining option, the Hut. They have a lot of seating and fans in case it gets a little warm out. There's Woody's Water Sports, which also rents jet skis. So definitely have a lot of jet ski rentals. And they also do a lot of fishing charter boats too. As you can see, the boat just came in from this morning. You get a lot of water activity. Oh, over here is a Tiki Huts. For the Tiki tours, it's kind of a mellow tour. Probably play music, I think. Bring your own drinks, I guess. You'll have to inquire on that, though. That about wraps it up.